Welcome, science fans. Get ready for an out-of-this-world journey as we blast off into the wonders of our universe. Today, we're exploring our solar system, our cosmic neighborhood filled with fascinating worlds and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. At the very center is the Sun, a massive, blazing star that everything in our system orbits around. 8 unique planets, dwarf planets like Pluto, countless asteroids, and icy comets all circling in a cosmic dance. Our home, Earth, is the third planet from the Sun, perfectly placed in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, making it just right for life to thrive. The solar system is full of extremes: Jupiter's swirling great red spot, a storm bigger than Earth, Saturn's dazzling icy rings, and Mars's dusty windswept surface, hinting at ancient secrets. But here's a question to puzzle your mind. Where is the coldest place in our entire solar system? You might guess far off Neptune or distant Pluto, shivering at the edge of the sun's warmth, but science is full of surprises and unexpected answers. The answer is actually much closer to home than you'd ever imagine, right in our own cosmic backyard. Are you ready to discover the chilliest, most mysterious spot in our solar system? The answer might just surprise you. Let's dive in together and find out what secrets the universe is hiding. So, put on your thinking caps. An amazing adventure through space awaits us all. What makes a place cold? It's a question that has intrigued scientists and explorers alike for centuries. It's all about heat, or the lack of it. Heat is the energy that keeps things warm, and without it, temperatures plummet. The sun's energy warms planets, but the farther you are, the less heat you get. This is why outer planets are colder than those closer to the sun. Think of sitting by a campfire. Close is warm, far is cold. The same principle applies to planets and moons. But distance isn't the only factor. Shadows matter too. Shadows can create pockets of extreme cold. In space, deep craters near the poles of planets and moons can be in permanent shadow, never touched by sunlight. These permanently shadowed regions never see sunlight, making them some of the coldest places imaginable. Without sunlight, these spots lose heat and become cosmic freezers, trapping cold for eons. For billions of years, some craters have sat in total darkness, preserving their icy secrets. No heat in, and any warmth escapes into space, leaving these regions frigid and unwelcoming. That's how the coldest places in the solar system are made, where temperatures can drop to unimaginable lows. So, where is the ultimate deep freeze? Let's solve the mystery and explore these chilling wonders of the cosmos. The coldest place ever measured in our solar system isn't on Pluto or a distant comet, it's on our moon. Deep craters near the moon's poles are in permanent shadow, never touched by sunlight for over 2 billion years. With no sunlight, these craters become natural cold traps. Temperatures inside drop to minus 415 degrees Celsius, minus 248 degrees Celsius. Colder than Pluto. That's more than 3 times colder than Earth's coldest spot in Antarctica. The moon's shadowed craters are the undisputed champions of cold. Who would have guessed the coldest place is right next door? But how did we find out? We discovered these lunar deep freezers with NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, or LRO. Since 2009, LRO has mapped the moon in detail, using a special instrument called the Diviner Lunar Radiometer. Diviner measures surface temperatures, creating a thermal map of the moon. When it scanned the moon's polar craters, it found temperatures lower than anywhere else in the solar system. Scientists were amazed. These spots were even colder than Pluto. This discovery changed how we see the moon. Not just a gray rock, but a world of extremes. Sometimes the most surprising places are right in our own backyard. But why does this matter for us? Let's find out. These super cold lunar craters are more than just a record of the moon's history. They're like natural time capsules, perfectly preserved for billions of years. Hidden away from sunlight, these shadowed regions have remained at frigid temperatures, untouched since the earliest days of our solar system. Their deep freeze preserves anything that falls in, including water from comets and asteroids, as well as other ancient materials. This means that every layer of ice and dust inside these craters could hold clues about the origins of water in our solar system, and even the building blocks of life. Scientists believe these craters hold vast amounts of water ice, possibly enough to support future lunar missions for decades. Unlocking these icy reserves could change everything we know about living and working on the moon. Water on the moon could be a game changer for future astronauts, providing not just a vital resource for survival, but also opening the door to long-term exploration and settlement. With water, astronauts could drink, grow food in greenhouses, and even split it into hydrogen and oxygen to make rocket fuel for journeys deeper into space. Mining lunar ice would make building a moon base much easier and cheaper, reducing the need to launch supplies from Earth and allowing us to use local resources. These cold traps could help us explore further, even to Mars, by providing the resources needed for refueling and supporting life on long missions. The moon's hidden ice might be the key to humanity's next giant leap, turning the moon into a stepping stone for exploring the rest of the solar system. Science keeps revealing new surprises, even in places we think we know well. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. And that's what makes exploring our universe so cool. There's always something new waiting to be found, just beyond the next crater.